You know, when you think about lost keys at a dealership, I mean, first and foremost, you run the risk of losing a sale altogether, which can have a tremendous impact to the bottom line over the course of a month. Not to mention the impact on how our customers perceive us, and as well as far as how organized we are, because if we can't take care of them at the point of sale, are we going to be able to take care of them as we should back in service? And then when you look at just replacing a key, I mean, we have some keys within our group that will approach well over $1,000 to replace a key with all the technology that goes into today's keys. It's very expensive because the keys just do so much more than they have done historically. So, between lost sales, potentially, ruining our perception in the customer's eyes, and then of course the cost of replacing the key, I mean, it's just a compounding effect that we just don't want to deal with.